Hello and welcome to Adells. Tonight we'll move through a calm and soothing manual pump tutorial, surrounded by the warmth of a quiet evening at home. If you enjoy these gentle guides, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more relaxing routines. Picture yourself sitting near a fireplace with the soft glow of flames lighting the room. The air feels warm, safe, and cozy, and you can hear the gentle crackle of wood as it burns. This is your time to slow down, breathe deeply, and focus on yourself. Find a comfortable position, perhaps in a soft chair pulled closer to the fire, or even sitting on the couch, wrapped in a warm blanket. Support your back with cushions and let your body feel completely at ease. Take a slow inhale. Feel the warmth of the room. Then exhale, letting the stress of the day melt away. Before starting, make sure your pump and clean container are nearby. Keep a warm drink like herbal tea or cocoa within reach too. It adds to the cozy atmosphere and helps you stay hydrated. Pick up your pump and begin with slow, steady squeezes. Let your rhythm be calm and unhurried, matching the soft crackle of the fire. Breathe in deeply as you prepare, and exhale as you release, syncing your body to the comforting sounds around you. As you continue, focus on the gentle details of this moment. The flicker of firelight dancing on the walls, the softness of the blanket on your lap, the warmth wrapping around you like a quiet hug. Let all of these sensations remind you that you are safe and cared for. When you finish, carefully store your milk and clean your pump. Then take a final deep breath, close your eyes, and enjoy the warmth of the fire one last time before you move on with your evening. Thank you for joining me here on Adells. If this fireplace tutorial brought you comfort, please like this video and subscribe for more peaceful guides.